We're at the body shop today. I'm here to pick up some parts and then we're gonna head back to the other shop. We got a lot of Teslas that we're working on that need some TLC. The cars that come in are damaged, so it's like sad. It's like being a doctor, you know? All the people that you see in your office are just sick and you feel bad. We're gonna fix them. We're gonna fix all of them. Look what I found. Surprise, surprise, RX-7. This is not ours, guys, believe it or not, but I'm sure Ted's making sure that this one is getting the excellent attention and care that it needs.
Here and...
Oh, it was white, but it just was all faded and everything.
Yeah, it was all faded. His car caught on fire, so we're doing a repair on his car.
Wow.
Damage even trailing back here. See it melted? All the fire went back this way. This is a very close area to the fire. So what happened is, you notice it's not burnt. The Clearbra was protecting it. It prevented any additional damage.
So if you've been watching our previous recent vlogs, you would have seen this GT4 in. Well, we're not done with it yet. We're now doing a corner balancing, as you can see. We got 4 plates on each wheel. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to balance the car and make it as even as possible. This is mainly for just track purposes. We are actually going to be putting weights in there. Actually, we already have. See those dumbbells over there? Yeah, we're putting weights in there just to kind of simulate the owner's presence, I guess you can say.
We gotta put some more weight on the front, bro. Because we gotta raise the rear up.
We're trying to make this as balanced as possible, right?
That's right. It's like a table. Like, you know, like a table. You know when you go to those, like, you know those tables at restaurants where you hate, where you just sit down and you're like, all right, this table should be flat, and you just sit down and it starts rocking on you. You're like, what the f, man?
Like one leg is off?
Yeah, exactly. Just like that. This is exactly the same as a table thing. When you're at peak on a track, if one wheel is weird, it's gonna give you a weird status in the car. So that's what we're doing. We're simulating the pressures of each side so that the table is balancing. It's like
so relatable.
Yeah, bro. So dude, that's literally how it is. Like, think of this. I think of an uneven table.
So which leg do we need to put a napkin under?
Looks like to be that one.
So this is mainly for track purposes. You also don't need to do this for like regular cars, but for track cars, when you want to get like that edge over everyone else, then you start to tinker with things like this.
Getting that, bro. You got a 50.2.
Can you make it exactly 50?
No, I can't make exactly 50. I need F1 technology. Actually, it's immaculate for a street car. Make a 6-second call into a 3-second call.
Sick. Sick. Sick.
Sick.
Sick.
Sick, dude.
Guys, let's talk about something. Let's talk about painting chrome pieces, more specifically chrome delete. So I've talked about chrome deleting using vinyl, using epoxy dip, and let's talk about paint today. So if you ever had your chrome pieces painted, or you know someone that has, one of the biggest problems with painting a chrome piece is that when it gets chipped, you can sometimes see the chrome that's peeking through. Let me show you. So one of the biggest things when painting a chrome piece, like the grill here, is that when it chips, you see the chrome peek through, right? Like this whole grill is literally splattered with chrome specks everywhere, basically showing through from underneath the black paint. This obviously turns off a lot of people because it looks terrible, right? It doesn't look good at all. It looks like your whole grill has just been attacked by bird poop. Now that we have our own body shop, I want to share that information with you guys, so that way wherever you are in the world, you can make sure you're always getting the best services possible. So what I want to bring up is whenever you see chrome pieces like this that are chipped after being painted and you see the chrome showing through, the reason why this happens is because the painter did not actually prep the surface well enough for the paint to adhere to it to prevent something like this from happening. The right way of doing it is you're supposed to sand down the chrome, you're supposed to primer it. That goes over the whole surface, and that will allow the paint, the new paint, like the black for example, to adhere onto it a lot better. It grabs onto it, it does a better job with holding the paint onto the surface, and they're supposed to be doing multiple layers of the black on top. That way it's a little thicker, and that way when a rock hits it, you don't get issues like this. Now, unless it's a really big rock and you hit it, different story. Obviously that will cut through, but majority of the rocks that hit your car, like all these little ones that you see here, the chrome shouldn't be coming through. It may be a little gray, right, when the rock hits it, but you shouldn't be seeing all of these chrome specks everywhere. So now you guys know if you get a chrome delete done and you get it painted and this happens, then your installer did not prep it correctly. If they do it right, if they sand it, they primer the whole thing, and they add multiple coats of paint, you shouldn't have this many. You might have some, like I said, if they're like big rocks that hit it, but for the most part, you should still keep the black paint because there should be enough layers to where the chrome doesn't show through so easily. Maybe some of these are huge rocks, right? But some of these little ones like that one and like these little ones here, they shouldn't be showing through. These are too little for them to really make that big of an impact to cut through that many layers. So hopefully this helps if you're deciding to get your chrome pieces painted instead of wrapped or plastic dipped. Now you know. We have a lot of different services and products for Teslas, and one of my favorite ones that we do definitely has to be vinyl wrapping the entire car, just because it's the biggest visual change, you know, and those are always fun to see, going from like one color to another. So we actually have another Tesla Model Y. We're gonna be wrapping this one in Inozetek silver. We haven't done Inozetek silver before, so first time doing it, first time on a Y. So we're getting ready to prep this one right now. We have the mirror caps taken off. We have some of the fender flares taken off. We're gonna be getting this whole car ready to be wrapped. Let's see, it is, it's this one. This is the color we're doing, guys. Gloss, super gloss metallic silver. The nicest silver I've seen, just because it's a Inozetek, so it's super clear. It just looks like paint. Look at that color. It's like a mercury. It's so nice and deep and just mercury-ish. Another wrap job!
It's not a wrap.
Dustin, are you excited? It's another wrap job. We're going from white to silver. What do you think? Nice.
Hey, well, you know what that means? Inozetek requires Inozetek stuff.
Just because you put Inozetek stickers on that thing doesn't make it a Inozetek thing.
No, but it's what you need to install a Inozetek properly.
Oh, okay. I'm noticing a trend lately, guys. We're doing a lot of subtle colors, you know? We're not doing too many crazy colors. We're doing more like silvers and grays, which is cool. Because it's a Inozetek, it's gonna be a really cool silver. It's gonna look liquidy. That's the best way I can describe it.
You put one on here for every wrap we're gonna do. So, by the time this fills up, people ask us how many Inozetek jobs we'll do. I'll just have to grab this and show them.
There's 3 stickers per roll, so you just put all 3. That way they'll just triple them out faster.
We ain't about that lifestyle here.
First piece is laid on. You know what this color looks like? This color looks like GTR Super Silver.
I don't even look like that.
What are you talking about? It has like that milky silver color to it. It looks like a Super Silver without that blue hue.
Ooh, baby! Look at that leg, baby! Inozetek, we meet again. Oh, make you my this time. Hey, we gotta talk to your wraps. What does that bubble look like?
It doesn't look like a to me. It looks like an arrow. Look, there's like an arrow. And
oh, he's trying to save it. Damn, Dustin got a different look. What the fuck?
Yeah. What do you think, Dustin?
What?
Of this?
It's amazing.
I'm surprised he's not like, eh. Dustin, this isn't reminiscent of your Miata days?
It looks like it.
Dustin, let's be real. Your Miata paint was not this cool looking. It was not this high quality.
It was like you could. It was like, here's the surface. It was like you could reach in, and it was like liquid.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's probably very orange peely and textury. This is the coolest silver we have done, period. I think I can safely speak for everyone here that this color is super impressive in person. There's a lot of depth to it. It looks liquidy. It looks like something you'd see on some high-tech space equipment. Perfect for a Tesla. In certain lighting, you see this champagne hue to it, giving off that slight classy vibe. And I know some people are gonna ask how this compares to the factory silver option from Tesla. And honestly, this should replace the factory silver. The factory silver looks more like a silver Sharpie color, whereas this is a little darker, has way more details to it, and I honestly feel like it fits the Tesla futuristic theme way better. Plus, with the new Tesla badging in the back, it looks perfect. This is how the car should come from Tesla, and if you are looking for a silver wrap, this is the one. A couple of other details of this project: we tinted the windows in photosync, which is going to be perfect since summer has arrived, and we ceramic coated the entire car. Just really makes the silver pop a little bit more and keeps the whole thing nice and clean. do you think of the color?
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a really cool, like almost like a space silver color.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Oh, and by the way, if you are looking for a Huracan, guess what? We have one for sale. Let me show you really quick. This is what it looks like. You guys might have seen this one before in the previous vlog. It's a Vorsteiner Novara Huracan, really cool. Has a whole Novara kit from Vorsteiners. Also has Brixton forged wheels in bronze, really cool color. So if you guys are interested in this Huracan, let us know. Just contact us and we can give you all the details that you'll need, like pricing and all that good stuff. But that's it for today. I will see you next time.
Whoever smelled it dealt it, bro.
When you get tint and you have to remove it, it leaves a really bad smell, and that's what we're smelling right now. It just smells, I don't even know how to describe it. It smells really bad.
Why does the tint just smell like that?
Just does, bro.